Hey Conquerors, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my first episode of Conquering the Kitchen. You can see I'm in my finger snap of a kitchen because it's so tiny you can walk through it like this. So my original first episode unfortunately got deleted, and it was a bomb date night pasta recipe that I will re-record for you guys so you can have it, because it's super affordable, super cheap, and super easy to make, especially for those of y'all that actually don't know how to cook. No shade. Today I'm just going to show you how I make my quick and easy morning breakfast smoothies. This is what I eat every morning. Sometimes I'll do avocado toast, but today I don't have time, and today I don't really feel like making toast. So this is the organic tropical fruit medley from Whole Foods. I normally use frozen fruit from the Dollar Tree because this is cheap. You know, I was already in Whole Foods and I needed frozen fruit, so that's what happened. Today I'm making my chocolate covered strawberry breakfast smoothie. This one has a bunch of different types of fruit in it, but I'm just gonna pick out the strawberries because Whole Foods only had a giant bag of strawberries. And you know, I wasn't trying to pay $10 for a bag of strawberries. This one also has frozen bananas, frozen pineapples, and frozen mango in it. I'll probably make a banana, mango, and pineapple smoothie tomorrow for breakfast. Should I just throw this over my shoulder like I'm on Food Network? Yes, Food Network. Next, I put in my collagen peptides. These ones are from the company NeoCell. These I think are around 15 or right under $15 for this size, and this is a pretty big size. I've had this for I think almost 2 months now. And if you've never used collagen peptides, basically what they are, they're good for your joints, bones, skin, nails, hair, and they also help increase your skin's hydration levels. So since I've been using it for this last couple of months, I've been using it probably every day for the last month and a half, religiously. I've seen a huge change in like the bounce back of my skin. And you can buy like little sample packets like you can your protein at GMC and stuff. I got mine from Good Earth here in Broad Ripple in Indy, but you can easily get them from GNC. So next I add my protein powder. This is what makes it the chocolate covered smoothie. This is the Nitrotech Whey Gold Double Rich Chocolate Protein Powder. I do not a full scoop, but like half or a little more than half a scoop. And that's where like the chocolatey flavor comes from. You can add chocolate syrup or chocolate chips or whatever you want to add in there if you want extra chocolate, but this is very chocolatey. Next, I add my almond milk. This is just the original one from Blue Diamond. And I do like cover the fruit with the almond milk. And then I take my 100% apple juice from Kroger for the low. On sale, they had 2 of these for $3. And one was like originally $1.89, I think, by itself. So I got 2 of those, and I'm almost through the second one. And then this adds the sweetness. I like to do just as much apple juice as I did almond milk. Close that up. And usually I add my Hair Infinity vitamins in this as well. I break open the capsules and pour them into here. But sis ran out of Hair Infinity, and you know, they're $40 a bottle, so rent's due. I got this little rinky-dink ass blender from JCPenney, and it's actually not that rinky-dinky. It's actually a pretty damn good blender, and it's only less than $30. Got mine for I think around $12 with my rewards and my coupons from JCPenney. This is why I tell y'all, don't sleep on JCPenney. JCPenney has the sale. Satisfaction. Look at that. The best part about smoothies is that you get to mix things up in your life without actually like causing yourself additional stress and heartache. There's a reason I make this every single day. This one just, I don't think I blended the protein powder all the way. This just makes me happy. So that is it for my first episode of Conquering the Kitchen. Thank you for joining me in my space buns today and making our chocolate covered breakfast smoothie. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more in depth conquering the kitchen videos, make sure you click that like button, subscribe to my channel before you leave so you can become a part of the conquering family. You're already a conqueror, so you're already halfway there. Go ahead and join the family, you know? We greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time.